Today we will going to see how we can connect with Postgres database using Spring Boot. So I can show you this is my local database which is running. It is basically a Postgres database. I'm using DB Beaver. DBeaver basically that is a tool to connect with your database. uh, okay, so let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we can go to this spring initializer, right, and download the project. Okay, so what I added here, I added spring web, jpa, lambok, rest repository, springboot dev, and postgres driver. Okay, and I'm just downloading those uh, dependencies or hello world kind of project, and I'm now importing that project to my IDE. So go to the open, downloads this proj. Okay, this one. Okay, so let's check what inside this project while it is building. So here it's pretty simple, very few dependencies you can see. So jp dependency, data starter, web, and dev tools. Most important, this one postgre and lambok. I like to use a lambok, that's why the lambok is here. Okay, so it is, the project is synced now. Okay, let's go and check what inside here. Okay, so this is plain spring boot application. Okay, so now whenever we want to connect with the database, what we really need, we need one entity, and we need definitely one endpoints. Okay, so let's go ahead and create those packages first. One package is controller. Second package would be let's say service. Third package would be repo, and fourth would be your models, right? Okay, so now what we have to do, we can go ahead and create classes. So first controller we need to create, controller would be, let's say, the user controller. Okay, similarly let's go to the service. So user service. Okay, and let's create one interface also, user service. Okay, and after that create some model name would be, let's say, uh, I can say Satish, not Satish, let's say demo user. Okay, what else? Repo, we can create a repo also. Repo name would be demo user repo, and that is going to be your interface. Okay, now let's feed, let's, okay, so this is the structure. Okay, now let's start with the controller first. Modify the controller, would be the rest controller. Okay, inside that what I need, I need public one get method I need, right? So it could be dummy, oh sorry, demo user. Okay, so could be get users. Okay, nice. Okay, let's after that what I have to do, the, let's go to the interface first. So what I have to do in the interface, now it is a service layer, just give the service. Okay, and similarly this will be going to implement your user and service. Okay, and this is also your service. Okay, now go here. What we have to inject your interface service doing. Okay, easy until this. Okay, and then just inject it. Okay, now what you have to do, we have to call some method, right, which basically give you all the users. It's the get all users. So okay, and that I am going to return. Okay, so and this is going to your get mapping here users. Simple, nothing else. Let's go here, copy paste one more time. Instead of get, it could be post. Okay, and that is going to your save user. When you are saving, you will be saving one object only, right? Okay, and in this case what you are getting, request body of what, demo user. Okay, and you have to save this also. Okay, now let's time to create the okay, it's time to create the methods inside the interface. So one is here, second would be here. Okay, now you have to implement it here. Okay, it's implemented. Perfect, it's simple. We are calling service, so this is our controller. Whenever we hit this endpoints, this method will get triggered. Then here is the method definition. Okay, now work on the repository. Let's go in the repo. What we have to do, we have to extend jpa repository. You can extend the crude also, but jpa is a wrapper on top of your crude repo, so you will get more customized method. Okay, or gpa specific methods here. So first argument would be your entity. What is my entity? It's a demo user, and long would be going to its primary key. Okay, so now go to here. Okay, I will just copy paste some piece of things here. Okay, okay, add IDs, the basic attribute. I really don't need this. Okay, ID I have, then I have a private string name and private string age. Okay, simple. So it's going to be your demo user. Okay, so now go to the repo, all set here. Okay, we need to call this repo and save the data to the database also, correct? So go to the service implementation, we'll inject this repo. Let's inject it. Okay, perfect. Now what you have to do, you have to get all the users. How do we get? There is a find method, find all, just return. Simple. Now how to save? This is inside save directory, not save all, save the single entity. Okay, save all will be used when you are passing the list of users. Okay, nothing else. It's pretty simple here. Alright. uh, Now what is left? we need to provide the configurations. Okay, so I can copy paste my configurations here. So here is the list of configurations which is required. What is that? One is a URL, your driver, ID, passwords, dialect, and update. Okay, what you mean by update? Update means like there is a create, update, delete, right? There's so many things here. So update is basically if you do not have any repo, sorry, entity in your database, it will create that entity. Okay, so all set. Let's build it. Go to terminal. Let's see if it will build or not. Okay, perfect. Success. Now try. Let's try to run this application. We'll go in and run it. Okay, we'll go and run. Let's run it. Okay, now it is server is running up. Nice. Oh, it failed. Okay, it's saying port number is already in use. Got it. Okay, let me stop my other server. Okay, let's restart again. Nice. You can see started, right? And port number 8080. Perfect. Let's clear this. Now go to REST client. Okay, so this is my REST client. Okay, let's go to your controller. Here is my controller. Okay, so what is users, and inside this is a demo. Okay, let's first go and hit the get. Okay, so let's see if it work or not. Yes, it is working. You can see here, right? It is working. As there is a no records. Okay, let's go and check in the database also. Okay, so this is the database. Let's refresh this. Close all. Okay, let's check for demo user. Do you see anywhere? Yes, it's here. So no records. Okay, let's go and now start posting some records. Okay, go to the post. Okay, and what is here? Okay, perfect. So now I'm posting it. Yeah, you can see one record has been created. Let's go and check in the DB. Refresh. Okay, yeah, one record is here. Let's try one more. Instead of Satish, you can say maybe Ram. Okay, let's post it. Okay, let's go and check in the DB. Yeah, it is here. Okay, now go to here again and check what is a get. If get is working, yes, it is returning your whole records. Okay, now what we have to do, we can try to implement the delete. Okay, let's go here. Okay, copy this here. Let's say it's a delete mapping. Delete by what? Delete by using id. Okay. Okay, so here we can get it as we are sending as a path. So path variable id would be your log, right, and id, and it says it's a delete user. Okay, so it is first deleting and then returning returning list of all users. Okay, well, let's try it. Okay, so how to delete it? Go inside this, create one method, delete users. Okay, pass the id. Okay, now go and create this method here. Oh, it's a misspell somewhere. Yes. Okay. Okay, add the unimplemented method. Okay, it is here. Now what? We can delete by id, right? So go here, dot delete by id, and id we are passing. Okay, perfect. Let's restart the server. Great. Okay, server is up. Okay, so let's start first gate. You can see, oops, what happened? Okay, it's just up now. Okay, you can see we are getting the records now, and id is 47. Okay, let's go and delete. Okay, inside delete we have to pass the id is 47, so you will be getting only one record back now. Yeah, and ram is only ram. Satish record has been deleted. Okay, let's check in the db also. Okay, you can see it's here. Let's refresh this. You can see the Satish record has been gone. Okay, now after that what we can do, if you have to find by any specific, okay, let's create some record first. We'll play a little bit more. Okay, so ram 1, sorry, again I'm getting Satish. Okay, now what we can do, let's go here and check one gate. Okay, so you can see here there are total 3 records. Okay, okay, let's say we have to find by age. Okay, how we can do it? Okay, it's pretty simple. Let's go here. We can do this gate mapping again. Okay, let's say we are getting the users by age. Okay, and how we are passing the age we are passing inside the path. Okay, so it's int age. Here I am passing age. Okay, and that age will be here. Let's create the method. Okay, add the unimplemented method. Okay, so here I am telling you like how we are going to use the jpa, right, inbuilt property. Okay, so dot find by age. Okay, so this is a very good features from jpa. Okay, I will show you how we can form the native query. Like we can replace the native query. It's straightforward, right? Let's create this method first. Okay, got it. So we can change. Okay, go to the demo, just verify the age. Return type is int only, right? Oh, it's a string. Oh, okay, okay, so it's a problem. Let's go and change everything. Where is this? Here. Okay, okay, let's go here. This type is also string. Very good. Okay, and here. Perfect. Okay, now it is returning all the age. Okay, here is also a string. Okay, so before that, let me stop this first and rerun. Perfect. Okay, so let's create some records also. First, go to the post. Oh, sorry, post, and here age. Let's say I can add the 40. Okay, so this two I can add 39. Okay, so now we can get the records used by age. Okay, so age is, let's say, 39. Okay, you can see it is written in the list and one record. Okay, so let's go to the database, refresh this. Okay, you can see 39 just one. If I pass the 37, it should return the three records. Is it returning? Yes, it is returning. Okay, so this is the beauty of using JPA, right? You can see I'm not using any native query. I'm using just JPA and build methods. Okay. Let's say you have to combine two things. Maybe like name plus um, age combination. So that is also you can do. Let's try that. How we can do? We can go here, age, and let's assume we are passing the name also. Okay. So it's name and name. Okay, age and name. Pass the name. Okay, let us go and create one method inside service class. Implement this method. Okay, now here is the key, right? How to write this method, right? I said use the find by age, right? And now what? Name. Okay, so remember the sequence, right? You have to pass the same sequence, those parameters. Okay, okay, let's create this method also. Okay, make sure this name is exactly same as here. Okay, so name and age is same. Okay, let's go and restart the server again. Okay, so the server is up. We can go here. First search this get. Okay, now what we can do, we can pass age plus name. Okay, so it should return just one record. Okay, let's go. Yeah, it is returning one. So the how it is working, it is basically internally creating one query, right? Select star from user where user where user.age is equal to this and user.name equal to this kind of thing, right, internally. So JP will take care of those things. We are supposed to not write any external native queries. Okay, it will give more queries like, let's say if you want to see the age is greater than something or less than something or not null or null, so you can just add here and age not null, age is null, name not null. So those are the queries, those are the flexibilities available when you're using the JPA. Okay, so this is it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Comment me out. My name is Satish. I try to give all the possible answers. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.